What is cracking, everyone? My name is Matt Kraken, and for those of you who do not know me, I am a graphic designer that streams on Twitch. Hey, sweet prince. What's up, Bruce? What's cracking, brother? I want to welcome you guys to a new series I'm working on where I take ideas and recommendations from my Twitch viewers and in Twitch chat. I'll then design it live, then later edit it down and throw it here on YouTube, where it's pretty much a full tutorial. And today's video, I'll be going over one of the most common questions I get, which is, how did you animate the background of your starting soon screen? The answer is actually ridiculously easy, and within probably the next 2 minutes, you guys will be doing it yourself, so stay tuned. Oh, you did. You said, you were asking me about my background, right? My animated background, this one right here in the starting soon screen, how it moves like that. Is that what you're referring to? Like the waviness of it? Okay. I can show you that. Do you guys want to know how to do that? It's really easy. Fucking super easy. All right, we're going to do new composition, 1920, 1080. Actually, let's leave it at 24 frames per second. And we'll do 20 seconds. So, yeah. After Effects. Here, let me switch. Let me make it a little bit bigger. Can you guys see everything all right? All right, so I don't quite remember how I did this, but we're gonna learn together. So all I did was I took an image. There was a few that could possibly work. This is a good example right here. So take an image like this one here. I'm gonna download that. Okay, so what we're gonna do, downloads, I'm gonna drop that image in here in my composition. Okay, I'm gonna scale it to be kind of right there, and then like I said, I don't quite remember, so I'm just kind of guessing, but there is a built-in effects to After Effects called, I believe this is it, Wiggle-Rama. No, it's not Wiggle-Rama. Which one is it? It's Wave Warp. I'm sorry. It's called Wave Warp. Wave Warp. Wave Warp. There we go. It's in chat too. Wave Warp. So, as with any After Effects effect, right out of the box, it usually doesn't look the way you want it to. So I keep this on Sine, S-I-N-E. I don't know if that's the right way to say it. And I changed the wave height to like maybe 3. And I changed the wave width to, let's try like 500. And boom. We just added a little bit of movement and it was super easy. All right, so in After Effects, we use the Wave Warp effect to get that effect and After Effects. Right, so that's it for today's video, and like I said, it was going to be super easy, and I must admit that was an easy one. Not all of them are going to be this easy. Some of them are going to be longer, some of them are going to be shorter, but for the most part, that's what this series is going to be all about. If you guys want to pop into my Twitch channel, feel free to do so every Wednesday, Thursday, and Sunday at 8 o'clock a.m. Pacific Standard Time. I would be super, super grateful to hear from you guys. Thanks again for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video. Thanks.